Very quickly, what stars when they say something and what they mean?
Right.
You know, when they say, what's the real meaning of it? We are just good friends.
We are good friends.
I'm being choosy because I'm waiting for the right script.
In my case, I would say that that would be true.
We are very cordial when we meet.
Cordial is a word that you use very particularly with certain people.
I'll do it if the script demands it.
Great. That means you're a true actor.
I couldn't do the film because I had 8 problems.
Again, I've used this line in my life, but with me it always
is a genuine
is a genuine.
Marriage is not on the cards for the next 5 years.
That means I'm really young.
A good answer.
Yeah.
Please don't ask me personal questions.
I don't know.
I have something to hide.
I don't think you know, if you're an actor, you can really hide anything.
Yes, I'm getting Hollywood offers.
I really don't know because I've really not heard actors talk like this, but probably they're saying because they genuinely are getting.
I look so good because I eat right and I work out regularly.
That probably must be the reason of them looking good. I'm sure, because eating right and working out regularly is the mantra to look great.
I don't believe in the numbers game.
Some person must be really meaning it because after being in the industry for long, you do realize that numbers don't exist. Okay. It is your longevity that makes more sense.
The worst movie you've done so far?
Can't name it.
You don't want to name it?
No.
But you've done a few?
Not a few, probably one definitely.
Okay.
I have to have a list of a worst movie, you know?
Yeah. A role that's closest to the real Rani Mukherjee that you played?
None actually.
No?
No. Not like fully. Like there are
bits of you.
Bits of me in most of my films. But I can't pick up a role and say that this is me.
A role done by a contemporary you wish you had done?
I would love to do Salman's role in Dabangg.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think it was a great role.
Okay.
I would have loved to play Chulbuli Pandey.
Chulbuli Pandey?
Yeah. Fantastic.
Nice answer, yeah. Your biggest passion faux pas?
Biggest passion faux pas that Zoom should be knowing now better. Okay. Since it does a lot of those on the show.
We'll have to fish out our old files.
Yeah.
Bollywood's best style icon according to you?
Definitely Mr. Bachchan.
Yeah.
He's always remained and he's evergreen.
Your favorite co-star?
A tie between Amir and Shah Rukh.
Tie between Amir and Shah Rukh. But you're one of the ones, you know, who's been friendly to, equally friendly to all three of them.
Yeah, because my equation with all three of them at different stages in my career have been, and especially with all the three Khans, Amir, Salman and Shah Rukh, I've worked with them at a very early stage in my career. And they've seen me really young. Yeah. So the kind of love and affection they have for me is very different. And I reciprocate the same way. So.
Bollywood sexiest actor according to you?
Would have to be Hrithik Roshan.
Hollywood actor you would like to work with?
Definitely Tom Hanks.
A rumor you heard about yourself you wish was true?
That I'm married.
Super. If you were not an actress?
I would be a housewife.
Your favorite Bollywood real life couple?
Shah Rukh and Gauri.
You have a gorgeous face, but what do you get complimented on most?
My eyes.
And your voice also, a lot.
Yeah, eyes and voice, yeah.
That's everything, your hair also. What would be the one thing you'd want to change about yourself if you could?
Being so always completely unabashed and honest and frank. Because at times people don't like to hear the honest truth.
So you would rather disguise it?
Yeah, but I'm not good at doing that. So obviously that's one trait that I wish I had.
The best and the worst part of being an actress?
You get to have so many people who love you so much. Your fans, you have people liking your work, and you get so much of love and adulation and blessings from people, which is so important. And something that I wish that I didn't have as an actress was the kind of gossip that attaches with the territory. That comes with the territory.
Any 7 roles of yours you can remember at the top of your head which you like?
Black, Bunty Bubbly, Hum Tum, Sathiya, No One Killed Jessica, Chalte Chalte, Kabhi Alvida.
Which of the 7 deadly sins have you committed?
Please tell me the 7 sins.
Lust, greed, gluttony, envy, anger, envy.
Anger, yeah.
Wrong.
My temper is really bad.
So you've committed
I get scared of my own anger.
You've thrown things at people?
No, not at people. When I was a kid, my parents had gone out for some party and me and my brother were at home. And we had just that one TV at that point of time. Obviously, next day was school, so mom had instructed us and gone that, you know, you and Raja eat your food and go to sleep and no watching TV. So obviously, parents are out, so we both wanted to watch. So Raja was watching something on TV and I wanted to watch something else. And Raja just locked the door between my mother's room where I was sleeping and the hall.
Okay.
I said, okay, I'll go to sleep. And then I just got really angry that how can my brother do this to me?
Oh my God.
And it was a glass door. So in my anger, I wanted to like enter with like a drama queen and say that, what are you doing? Why are you letting me see the film? So I wanted to open the door dramatically, but I didn't realize that it was glass and it would break. And I just like banged open the door and my hand went through the glass.
Oh my God. That's dangerous.
Yeah. And the next thing I realized is that I've got very numb and my whole body's got cold, because apparently when you lose blood, you know, you go through that, you know, sensation where everything turns cold.
Yeah.
And my brother opened the door and he saw my state and he panicked.
Oh my God.
And then he took me in his arms and he rushed me to the doctor, because it was like completely, like I still have stitches here. These 2 stitches. For breaking the glass door.
What anger. You must play Chulbuli Pandey.
Yes, that's what I said, that's the role that I want to play.
I'm going to do a 7th sense check with you.
Okay.
Okay? Ever lusted after anybody?
Yes, of course. I wouldn't give you the name.
Tom Hanks.
No.
Gluttony. One food item you can't resist.
Potato chips.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I can't stop eating potato chips.
Okay. The next one is greed. Have you ever done a role just for the money?
No. But yes, I've done definitely certain things like an ad film or a show for money, yes.
Yeah.
I have done it.
Next one is anger again.
Anger
One
too.
person who's angered you the most.
One person, my mom.
Someone you envy.
There are lots of people I envy. Nothing, no, nobody in particular like I envy.
Would you consider pride a sin, to be proud?
No, not really, because, you know, pride is a good thing, because, you know, when you are good at what you're doing, you should be proud of the fact that you are good at that. You can't be a victim all the time and say, oh, I'm so good, but I can't say it. So pride is a good thing. But yeah, if you show off, that's a bad thing.
Yeah.
You can't show off your
That's
talent,
arrogance.
but you can be proud of the fact that yes,
Yeah.
you are good and people like you, and yeah.
And the final sin is sloth. That's laziness.
Oh, I'm
Are you
very
guilty
lazy.
of that?
Yeah. Lots. Yeah. There are days when I just want to just laze in bed and not do anything. And just watch TV and eat in my bed and not leave
Potato
the
chips.
Bed. Yes.
So that's the combination of everything together.
Absolutely.
Right? Yeah. So that was great having you on the show.
Thank you
as
for having me,
always.
Omar.
Thank you again, and happy celebration to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.